I live in a small village. I live in a small village. We get fresh milk every morning. We get fresh milk every morning. We grow vegetables in our farm. We grow vegetables in our farm. The farmer is sowing seeds in the field. The farmer is sowing seeds in the field. My mother cooks food on a wood stove. My mother cooks food on a wood stove. I feed the animals daily. I feed the animals daily. Cows and goats are common in village. Cows and goats are common in village. I drive a tractor in my field. I drive a tractor in my field. The farmer harvests the crops. The farmer harvests the crops. The farmer plows the field with his oxen. The farmer plows the field with his oxen. Village has a small school. Village has a small school. Birds are always chirping. Birds are always chirping. Nights are calm and quiet in the village. Nights are calm and quiet in the village. We celebrate the festival with joy. We celebrate the festival with joy. We fetch water from the well. We fetch water from the well. I go to the field every morning. I go to the field every morning. The air is fresh and clean. The air is fresh and clean. People help each other in village. People help each other in village. Farmers work in the field every day. Farmers work in the field every day. There are many trees around the village. There are many trees around the village. We sit under the tree in the evening. We sit under the tree in the evening. My father works as a farmer. My father works as a farmer. We enjoy natural beauty. We enjoy natural beauty. Life is slow but happy. Life is slow but happy. People gather and talk together. People gather and talk together. The sky looks very clear at night. The sky looks very clear at night. There is less pollution in villages. There is less pollution in villages.